Hi, this is a video tutorial regarding how to get the most amount of edits in the short amount of time. I'm going to be very quick regarding this, so you have it as soon as you can. Okay, in this case, we're here on this part of the map. Please go to Persian Street point for fast travel. We are here on, to be exactly, on Watson, and this part, so you can know. Okay, we're here. This is the only place right now on the map that currently we know that has the most amount of uh, soda can machines, soda vending machines, so that the hack works. Okay, so first you have to have money, eddies, and then has these stats in this case. You just only need this and this with the same level, okay? So that this should work because we're disassembling items and this like duplicates them, like provide you like a can provide you another item for the same. So you're like practically duplicating the cans. Okay, so we're going to do right now is this, just buy a lot of cans. Sometimes you get 3, 4, sometimes you get 10, 15. Okay. Okay, you can try with any soda cans. Okay, this one's from Nicola also work too. Check. Yes, you see. And let's try with this one. Okay, you get the point. You just only have to do with the soda cans. Okay. So now we're going to do this. We're going to go to the inventory, go into the backpack. Then after the backpack, you're going to choose the sodas. Okay. You're going to hold in my case. Y. Y. Yes. Y. Okay, and just disassemble the items. Do that with all the cans. In this case, I just only pick a few cans, but in this place there's a lot of vending machines, so you should get the amount. In this case, if you see here, this bug out. So I'm going to try with another one because that glitch, like that bug, doesn't like duplicate it. It just says the number, but stays the same. Okay. Okay, this one no. Or okay. So yes, basically are the ones from Nico. Ah, okay, I can hear more. Uh, okay, disable item. Let's do it with this one too. Yes, so the most amount of cans is better, and this is the place that has the most vending machines. Okay, so okay, we have here our uncommon items component, our common items component. That these two were the ones we're going to sell. Sometimes happen that when you're going to in this case a reaper dog, and you're going to sell these items, this happens because if you're doing this a lot of times, the um, the person that you're going to sell this doesn't have money. If you see on the left, I think it is. Okay, in this case he let me sell this because I just save and load my save file after doing this. Okay, so let me here, we will check. Okay, so you see, boom, he doesn't let me he doesn't have any more money. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to a drop point that is nearby here, and we're going to try to sell there. But in any case, you can do it in any place that you want, but the important stuff is that you farm here, and as soon as you went as soon as you went farming all these scans, you can save and then load again, and they will like respawn again. So you can once again do the farming method. Okay. Uh, okay, I think the drop point should be here. Yes. In this case, what we're going to do is go in here, try to sell it. But in case not, we should just only look another place. Let's try. Okay, let's try if they. Okay, in this case they didn't. they don't let me, but you should just look a lot of drop points and all of that. But that's the tutorial. You just only know that you go into your backpack. You just choose the soda cans. Um, just dismantle it. Use the uncommon and common components. Sell that. Save once again. Go to the same place and repeat the process. Okay. So I hope you have liked the video tutorial. It's very quick because I don't want to waste any time from you. So I hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe or give a like, a comment, and share this with your cyberpunk partners. And I hope you like it. Okay, take care. Bye bye.